these houses, and the reason I got these is because a lot of times I'll go into my Dollar Tree and they don't have them. They sell out. So I know people are probably doing the same thing I do with them, and I'm making DIYs. Anyway, so I got a couple more of these. Then I saw, and I wish I could remember where I saw it exactly. I believe it was Pinterest. Anyway, if it wasn't Pinterest and I can find the person, I'll put them in the description box below. But I'm gonna have to look. I think it was Pinterest. Anyway, I got a couple of these shadow box type frames for what I'm going to do. So this is a 7x7. This one I believe is an 8x8. And when you buy these, don't let whatever's on the glass deter you from getting it if you want to use a shadow box for a craft, because all you do, because I've used them before, you just take a razor blade and you can take that right off and then just clean the glass, and you got a glass that looks like this. I also got couple pumpkins. Well, actually I got a few pumpkins, but look at the stems on these for $1.25. I mean, these are nice size, but I'm doing a DIY with these. Although this is a pretty color to put up, I like it. I like this color better than orange. I like the rusty type color. So then I just got some zip ties that I need for different crafts. And then look at these rub-on transfers, you guys. Aren't these cool? I really like the ghost. I like all of it. But these are rub-ons. Then I got a couple of these. These were $3, but this is worth it because, I mean, Hobby Lobby, this size, you'd pay at least $6, $7. And I like the stem. Then I got a couple more of these. I got some last year, but I will put these in my kitchen, candy corn. And like I said before, this year I'm not going to do like just Halloween and then just fall. I'll put a little bit of fall, meaning the leaves and so forth and pumpkins, but I'm gonna hone in on the Halloween because as soon as October 31st comes, I'm gonna start decorating for Christmas. So, got a couple more of these. These are really cute for the kitchen. And then, look, they had 3, the pick with 3 or 1 big one, and for $1.25. I'll also put this in the kitchen. I got 2 of those. Because you can always take them off of this and put them in individually. I might do that. And then these small ones I got for DIYs. Now, I won't keep these this color. Again, I'll make it more deeper like this or paint a couple of them black or whatever. But I got 2. And I got these. I really didn't care for the colors so much, but it's for something I'm doing for the fall. And they had blue and this color. That's all they had at my Dollar Tree. And I was going to try to paint these, you know, just go with a paintbrush and color them more, not color, but paint them more this color. But I don't think I'm going to go to all that. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And I'll show you. You'll understand what I'm doing with this when I'm doing it. But I thought those were cute. And $1.25. I mean, that's a good deal. Little pumpkins. Just a couple more of the pumpkins. saw another DIY, and I think, oh, I hate to say until I look because I don't know for sure. Oh, I don't want to say because I don't know. I can't remember. I've got to go back and try to look. Anyway, real cute little DIY on this. And this is in the kitchen section. It's a cutting board, glass cutting board. And then they had the LED shadow projector, and I guess it's a cat and a pumpkin, I guess. It lights up. It says, let's see. Does it say what it... I'm surmising, yeah, oh no, you know what? I can see it here. It's pumpkins, bats, a witch. I'll bet you it illuminates on the ceiling. I'll bet you that's what it is. But you have to put batteries. And I wonder, oh shoot. I hate when they do this. I don't like having to take this little screw out. Okay, so it says it uses 3 AAA batteries. I hope I have AAA. Oh, I must. I usually buy AA's. And I was going to get a mat, kitchen mat, from Hobby Lobby, but then I saw these and I thought, you know what? I'm just going to get this because it's cheaper. This was $5. Let's see if I can... And it says Hello Pumpkin, and it's really cute. And it's just like the ones they have, you know, with the kind of the padding. And what I found with these, once you spill something on these, whether it's here or from Hobby Lobby, wherever, this kind of material, it's hard to clean it off. So for this amount, if it gets dirty enough to where it's like, you know what, forget it, I'll just throw it away for $5. I'm not gonna keep something that's stained bad or it doesn't look good to me after the holidays. So I don't mind so much for $5 to do that. I mean, obviously I'll try to clean it, but if it doesn't, it's not a big deal. So anyway, this was $5. They had a few different kinds, but I wanted something just with pumpkins, so it wasn't Halloween or just fall. Although this is more fall, but you know what I mean. So anyway, got that. Then they had these little LED pillar candles. I can show you what this. Can you see that? It's changing color. It goes from purple, green, red, orange. But you know what? I don't think this part lights up. It's just down here. But it was just $1.25, so. I couldn't find just the little orange lights for one of my DIYs, so I got these little pumpkins. It's not a big deal. So they'll look orange when I put the battery in. You know what? I don't know if it is going to be orange now. You know what? It might be white. Oh, well, whatever. Then I just got these tea lights in black. I always get some socks from there. I really like their socks, but I like these. They remind me of Mackenzie Child. Hodge, this is for dishwasher, and then the mat. And then the last thing isn't Dollar Tree, it was Walmart. But look at these flowers. And I want to say these were $5, but it was worth it. This is I got 3, because I'll take these apart. I won't keep this together. I'll clip these and put them in on my fireplace. And in my kitchen. I think I'll put them on my fireplace. I may just put them in my kitchen and my formal dining room. I'm not sure, because I may just have the pumpkins and the fall leaves on my mantle. But it has, like you can see here, the daisy. Is this a daisy? Yeah, I think so. And black roses with the black leaves. And then the pumpkin. I mean, like I say, it is a good size. Look at my hand. It's a good size bouquet. $5. So that is what I got, guys. Until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.